Sponsored by Dodge. Visit Dodge.com or your local dealer today.
We usually don't leave town, and that's not a bad thing because San Diego's great because gas prices are so high. Now you can just drive all over town and enjoy this great weather.
Why not? Even if all you do is work, 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 right?
Yeah.
Any chance I can say that, it just happens. Alrighty, let's take you to Pacific Beach where it's absolutely lovely. And it doesn't seem like too many people are working there. Everybody taking advantage of the nice weather. Look at that sun. Just lovely. It's been a great day. We had some clouds this morning, but they opened up the skies quickly and we got to see plenty of sun this afternoon. It'll be pretty nice again tomorrow. Overall, the last 24 hours, we've seen temperatures actually heat up a couple of degrees. In Vista, about a degree, 4 degrees warmer in Ramona and Alpine, and we'll continue that trend heading into tomorrow. There'll be some areas of patchy fog tonight into tomorrow, but most likely the clouds will not be building until after 11, and we'll see the thickest of the clouds actually through the overnight hours. There's actually a broad area of high pressure off to sea, and eventually we're going to see some changes. But overall, the pattern here, that nice, cool, comfortable, all that is about to change because of this guy right here. Yes, I'm calling it a guy. Its name is Newton, and it was upgraded to a hurricane this afternoon at 4 o'clock, now a Category 1 hurricane. Excuse me. It is just south of Cabo San Lucas, expected to make landfall by tomorrow morning. But look at what happens. You see the path here? It continues tracking, aiming towards the Four Corners. Typically, when we see that, there's still a chance for some drizzle. So I'm counting on it, both fingers like this. So here it is. There's that chance of storms just to the east, but we may start to see some of it by the afternoon, especially into the higher elevations. Tonight, still comfortable, still nice. Take advantage of it. 64 Kearney Mesa, 65 in San Diego. And then tomorrow, temperatures in the low 80s, which is still below the average for this time of the year. Typically, we're closer to 90 in Ramona, but tomorrow, a nice 83 degrees. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, morning fog will continue targeting the coast, maybe even into the valleys tomorrow, but that chance is going to be mostly along the coastal areas as we go into tomorrow. Then we introduce the heat and the humidity. We'll make that shift starting on Wednesday with temperatures near 90 degrees. We'll lose a couple of degrees as the clouds take over on Thursday and Friday. With that humidity, you're going to feel it. It's going to feel like summer once again, even though the temperatures are not well into the 90s. We're well into the 80s, but now we're introducing all that tropical humidity we're not used to, and that certainly makes all the difference.
It feels hotter.
Next time you do work, 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 I want you to sing it like Rihanna, though.
We're going to work, 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 work,
There you
work.
go.
Hey, somebody's got a voice.